Salut coders, this is Bisky here. Welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I want to show you how we can send stickers on our chat application. So our chat application, we try to make it more interesting, more lovable, so that users would love to use the application. And the project, remember, it's open source. You just clone the project and you can have the application working on your computer. You can do whatever you want. So this is for community. I enjoy developing and learning new things, and I can show you how we can implement these features. There are a lot of features that we are going to cover on this chat application, so please continue watching my videos for chat application. We still have more things to go. So on this example, I want to show you how you can how it's going to work. So you can select a sticker from here, and I can pick any sticker. I can pick this one, and I can send this sticker to this other user. So this is how we are going to implement our application, and I can type any message. We already implemented all these features. So some of the features that we added are like sending videos, images, taking pictures from the camera. All these features we already added them. So in this one we are sending stickers. So let me show you how you can integrate with Rive. So we are using this Rive library. So make sure you add this Rive dependency in your pub/spec YAML. By the time of making this video, I'm using this version. So you can add this version on your pub/spec YAML. So add that dependency, the Rive one, and also add the stream chat Flutter. Also add this version for stream chat Flutter. So we are using this Rive. This Rive guys, they develop animations. They work on developing animations. I think they are designers. You can see on their website they develop animations. So these are the animations that we are trying to integrate. So you can go to community and you'll be able to download these stickers for free. These are for the community. Let me pick this one, and I can download this one. So just download as many as you can, these stickers for the Rive from this Rive. So for me, I created a folder which is called stickers, and here I'm adding my stickers, and all of these stickers, they are end with this file name, which is Rive. So I just copy the file name. So after that, there's a utility class that I added, and this utility class is called animated stickers. It's just an array of stickers that we are going to populate, and so here I will just add this new sticker. This one, this is a phone girl. As you can see, this is the girl who is on phone. So that's the name of the sticker. So after doing that, there are things that we created a dialog. I have created this dialog with this chat sticker dialog. This is the dialog that you saw here, this dialog. So I created this chat dialog where you're going to pick your sticker. So in this dialog is just displaying the list of stickers that is coming from the from this array animated stickers. We added a list of stickers. So in this dialog, you just agreed with two columns, as you can see, and you can pick any sticker that you want. So after you pick a picture, you can just it will then hide the dialog. It will then hide the dialog, and we can handle the file name. So this file name is being handled in the message chat screen. So let's go to the message chat screen. Here in the message chat screen, we are just showing the dialog where we pick our stickers, and then after we get the result, we check if someone picked a sticker. If someone picked a sticker, we send a message with the message type sticker, so that we'll be able to render the sticker with the correct widget here. So the widget that we are seeing here, it's from Rive. So because remember, this file type is Rive, is different from GIF, is different from PNG. So they created their widget that we can use to display their file names, their stickers. So this widget is called, let me show you this widget, and this is the animated attachment, and it's called Rive Animation. So it's just showing the animation of the, and we are using the assets, and this is the asset that we edit in the assets folder. So we just display this and we are done. So this is the integration that you can use to display, and you can see we had a condition in here in the chat message where we are checking if the message type is a sticker, please render this with an animated attachment, which is the custom widget. If other conditions like text and also like images and video, they are being handled here. So if you are new to this channel, may you kindly subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. So let me just show you in the new widget that we just added. And this widget, let's go to the pubspec YAML. We have to do pub get so that it will load the new assets, the new asset that we added. So after doing that, let's just save. And let's see if you are able to see that girl on the phone. It didn't show up. Let me close this. Okay, there's an issue with this, with that image. So you can just try and choose the one that does not have any issue. So let me just look for another asset which does not have any issue, and we can test. Let me try this one, and I can download this. So as you can see, this is the file that I downloaded, this one, and that file I added it. This is the file. This one I added into stickers and also added in this animated stickers. So you can download the code and you can add more stickers on your project, and you can look for this integration. Salut coders, let's meet on another video. Don't forget to join our Discord channel and also share the video, like, comment. Let's meet on another video. Salut coders.